Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best stand mixer that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best stand mixer. Using an electric mixer ensures light and airy cake layers, fluffy whipped cream, and icing that's velvety smooth, plus it's speedier than stirring umpteen times and much easier on your biceps. Stand mixers free you to do other tasks while they do the work. Number 5 KitchenAid Artisan Design Series 5 Quart Mixer. It turned to our test champion for so smooth cookie dough, cake batter, and perfectly whipped egg whites. It comes with great basics, plus you can add accessories. Main features: 12 fun color option. Mixing power. 5 quart classic is unparalleled. Number 4 Best value, Hamilton Beach 7-speed stand mixer. It comes with a handle on top to make lifting the head super easy, plus it suctions to your countertop so it'll stay in place when you're mixing. Main features: nearly every evaluation. Handle on super easy. All attachments are dishwasher safe. Number 3 Best for small batches. If you're looking for a smaller stand mixer, it's 25% lighter and takes up 20% less counter space than the classic but doesn't compromise on performance. Main features: it's 25% lighter, takes up 20% less counter space. Mini features a 3.5 quart bowl. Number 2 Breville 5 quart die-cast stand mixer. It offering numerical speeds, Breville's assign specific tasks to each of their settings, making this a great mixer for novice bakers. Main features: Breville's sleek silver model, 12 variable speeds, LED lit controls. Number 1 Kenmore Elite Ovation stand mixer. It whipped egg whites into stiff peaks. Our experts found it easy to add ingredients without stopping the mixer and loved the heavy-duty glass mixing bowl. Main features: unique 360-degree splash guard, a pour-in top. It easy to add ingredients. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.